Exclusive, Tomb Raider and the Danish girl star Alicia Vikander has lent her voice to big canvas documentary Anthropocene, the Human Epoch, which will get its world premiere this week at the Toronto Film Festival. The science-themed doc, from filmmakers Jennifer Baichwal and Nicolas de Pencier and photographer Edward Burtynsky, contends that human impact on the planet means we have entered a new geological era.
The Toronto-based trio traveled to 6 of 7 continents and 20 countries. The project was entirely carbon offset, documenting evidence of human domination, from concrete seawalls that cover 60% of China's mainland coast to potash mines in Russia's Ural Mountains, and marble quarries in Italy to surreal phosphate tailings ponds in Florida. The film is in English, Russian, Italian, German, Mandarin and Cantonese with English subtitles. Peak is being released in Canada by Mongrel Media.
Seville International is handling international sales. Alicia's exceptional voice, and her considerable talent in knowing how to use it, has elevated our film enormously and brings a beauty and hope to the narration that is crucial. We are deeply honored by her participation, Baichwal said. The film is part of the Anthropocene project, which also includes exhibitions, VR and books. It is the third in a trilogy of films that also include manufactured landscapes and watermark. Vikander recently wrapped shooting on the Westmoreland thriller Earthquake Bird.